This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Mary Fran Kowalo, Follansbee Hooverson Hgts. Come and view this 3-bedroom all-brick split-level home located in a very desirable neighborhood. Updates include painting, all new windows, completely updated main bathroom, kitchen, laminate, newer sliding back door. This home is tastefully decorated along with a cozy and comfortable family room. Large fenced-in yard with a wood deck off kitchen. Ample amount of parking for entertaining. This one is move-in ready. Call this one home. For more information, review the details below.